Good morning, children. Welcome to our math session. Now, children, as you know, we are continuing with our chapter number 11, subtraction by borrowing. In our previous session, we finished our part 6. Today, we will be doing part 7. In part 7, we will be doing topic of arrange vertically and subtract. This we have done before. Today, we will be doing a revision of arrange vertically and subtract. Let us see the first sum. Okay, the numbers are now arranged vertically according to their place value. Okay, so let us subtract. What we are going to subtract? Units with units, tens with tens, and hundreds with 100. Okay, so the number in units place is number 5 and number 6. So 5 is a smaller number, 6 is a bigger number, so it cannot be subtracted. So what we will do, we'll cut this 5 and we'll make it as 15. Okay, and from where I borrowed this one, I borrowed from 4. So 4 will become 3. Now 15 minus 6 is after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 15 minus 6 will be 9. Okay, now below 3, that is in hundreds place, there is no number below 3. So we'll consider it as 0. So 3 minus 0 will be 3. Below 2 in hundreds place also there is only a number 2. So we'll consider as 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2. Okay, so 245 minus 6 will be 239. 245 minus 6 is 239. Next. Now the numbers here are arranged accordingly. Their place value. 100 with hundreds, tens with tens, and units with units. So let us subtract. 8 minus 3. Now children, 8 in units place is a bigger number and 3 is a smaller number. So it can be easily subtracted. There is no need of borrowing. So 8 minus 3 is after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 will be 5. 4 minus 5. Now here 4 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So it cannot be subtracted. So we'll cut this 4 and we'll make it as 14. Okay. And from where I borrowed this one? I borrowed from 3. That is in hundreds place, and I will write it here 2. So 14 minus 5. After 5 you are going to count till 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That means 14 minus 5 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So when we subtract 348 minus 153, I get my answer 195. Next sum. Now here the numbers are arranged vertically according to their place value. The numbers are 667, that is 667. 479, that is 479. Let us subtract. Now the numbers in the units place are 7 and 9. 7 is a smaller number than 9. So what we will do, we will cut this 7. We will make it as 17. And this 6 we will make it as 5. Why we are making this 5? Because I borrowed 1 from 6 and I made 7 to 17. So 17 minus 9 will be after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 minus 9 will be 8. Okay. Now again here the number is 5. That is a smaller number and 7 is a bigger number. What we will do, we will cut this 5 and we will make it as 15. Okay. And 6 will become 5 because I borrowed 1 from 6 to make that 5 15. So 15 minus 7 is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 8. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. So when we subtract 667 minus 479, I get my answer 188. Next. Now here children, wait, let me change the color. Okay. Now 845 and 657. The numbers here are arranged according to the place value. So let us subtract 5 with 7. Now 5 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So I'll cut this 5. I will make it as 15. Okay. And I'll cut this 4 and I will make it as 3 because I borrowed 1 from 4 to make that 5, 15. Now 15 minus 7 is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 3 minus 5. Again 3 is a smaller number, 5 is a bigger number. So we'll cut this 3 and we'll make it as 13. And I'll cut this 8 and we'll make it as 7 because I borrowed 1 from 8 to make that 3, 13. So after 5 you have to count till 13. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 minus 5 is again 8. Okay, now 7 minus 6 will be 1. So 845 minus 657 is 188. Now 362, that is 362 minus 157. The numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us subtract now. Okay, now the number in unit place is 2 and 7. 2 is a smaller number. 7 is a bigger number, so 2 cannot be subtracted from 7. So we'll cut this 2, we will make it as 12. And we will make this 6 as 5 because I borrowed 1 from 6. So 12 minus 7 is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12 minus 7 will become 5 and 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So when I subtract 362 minus 157, I get my answer 205. Next sum, 452, that is 452, 198, 198. The numbers here are arranged according to their place value, that is 100, tens and unit column. Okay. Now let us subtract units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. Now the number in unit place is 2 and 8. Now 2 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. So I'll cut this 2, I will make it as 12. I will cut this 5, I will make it as 4. So 12 minus 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay. Now 4 minus 9, it is not possible because 4 is a smaller number. 9 is a bigger number. So I'll cut this 4 and I will make it as 14. And to this 4 which is in hundreds place, I will make it as 3. Because I borrowed 1 from 4 and I made that 4 14. So 14 minus 9 is after 9, 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. 3 minus 1 will be 2. So I got my answer 254. That means when I subtract 452 minus 198, I get my answer 254. Next. Now 776408. The number here are arranged according to their place value. Let us subtract 100 with 100, tens with tens and units with units. We are going to always start units subtracting units with units. Okay. From our right hand side, that is from units place. So let us subtract now. 6 minus 8. Now here 6 is a smaller number, 8 is a bigger number. So what we will do is we will cut this 6, we will make it as 16. Okay. From where I borrowed this? I borrowed from 7. So 7 will become 6. Now 16 minus 8 is after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 minus 8 will be 8. 6 minus 0 will be 6. 7 minus 4 will be after 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 4 will be 3. So when we subtract 776 minus 408, we get our answer 368. Now 982, 467, that is 467. Now here the numbers are arranged according to their place value. Okay. So let us subtract units. So the number in the unit place is 2 and 7. Okay. So now 2 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So what we will do, we will make this 2 as 12. Okay, and this 8 will make it as 7 because I borrowed 1 from 8 to make this 2 as 12. So 12 minus 7 is after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 5. Now 7 minus 6, 1. 9 minus 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 5. Okay, so when I subtract 982 minus 467, I get my answer 515. Now 652, that is 652 minus 407, 407. Now here the numbers are arranged according to their place value. Let us start subtracting. Now 2 minus 7, 2 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So we'll cut this 2 and we'll make it as 12. And this 5 will become 4. So 12 minus 7 will be after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 7 will be 5. 4 minus 0 will be 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. So when I subtract 652, minus 407, I get my answer 245. That is 245. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of subtraction, that is arrange vertically and subtract. Now children, what you are going to do is, in your rough book, not in your maths classwork, what you are going to do is, I'll show you. Okay. Now first you will write on a fresh page today's date. Then you will write chapter 11 subtraction by borrowing. Okay. Chapter 11 subtraction by borrowing and today's date. After writing that, below that, okay, after giving the heading, below that write arrange vertically and subtract. Finish writing this, don't write this TOPIC topic, write arrange vertically and subtract. Once you finish that, write this sum, that is 245 minus 6. Make a column, okay, and then write the numbers in that column, arrange them according to their place value, and then start subtracting. Okay, do it by yourself, children. Then the first sum is over, then do the second sum. In one page, 2 sums. This is, children, homework for you. This I am giving you as a homework. Okay, so write all the sums, this all the sum in your rough book. Okay, don't write in maths classwork, write in rough book and then start solving it by yourself. But children, only 2 sum in one page. Okay, this is the first sum, then you will write this the second sum, that is 348 minus 153. Write this first and second sum on one page. Okay, don't make it messy. Then on a fresh page again you will write today's date. Don't write topic, just continue, but only write today's date and then write this sum 667479. Okay, then write on a fresh page again 845 minus 657. Okay, and try to solve it by yourself, children. Once you have finished all the sum that you have, which I have given here in this video and in the slide, once you have finished, then you are going to check the answer with the video. But first, don't start and check your answer with the video, just copy the question. Then after, children, you finish this, what you will do, then you will write this next sum 362157. Okay, after writing this sum, then again a fresh page, write today's date. So like that, children, in one page you will write 2 sums and you will continue till last where I have finished this. Okay, till last year 652 minus 407, this will be your last sum. So with this, children, I finish my today's session. Okay, so keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next session. Okay, bye. See you soon.